In this video we are going to see the sine function, and sine function, what we can say that sine function, it is it is called as signum function. Signum function, it is called as signum function. And what is the function is, it looks like, just change the color. Let me change the color. Okay, let me take the red. Okay, fx is equal to fx fx is equal to sine x. Sine fx is equal to sine x. Then we have the x upon mod x, if x is not equal to 0. If x is not equal to 0, and value will be 0 this for this function if x is equal to 0. Okay, so yeah, let me change the color again. That is what, yeah. So it is often this signum function. This signum function is often what is often represented as often represented as SGN. And if you want to see with the help of the graph, so it looks like this. Okay, let me yes, this is the graph where for values will be 1 for the x on the x-axis. If we go on the right side, we will get the positive values, and on the x-axis, if we go on the right side, then we will get the negative values. Yes, this is what the -1. So if we calculate the limits, then what will be happen? Let's see. If we want to calculate the fx, this is a function. Fx is equal to sine x. It's not the sine x. It is what, the s sine, this one, signum x. Fx is equal to, okay. So yeah, if we want to calculate this function, so for left hand side limit, if we calculate the left hand side limit, then the limit x tends to 0 plus fx is equal to what? If it is 0 plus, then the value will be 1 according to the graph. Let me draw it again. This is what the graph is. This is 0, and this is 1 for all the positive values of x, and -1 for the all the negative values of 1. Okay, so if we go slightly positive to at some place, like let me change the color, like at the place like just we come to that point, then that will be 0 plus, and that 0 plus is fx is equal to 1. And if we go slightly to the negative, if we come here slightly negative, then what we will have? We will have the another limit. This is Rhs limit. This is Rhs limit, and we are going to take the left hand limit. X tends to 0 minus fx is equal to -1. So if we calculate, like if we compare both the limits, like limit x tends to 0 plus fx is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. Yeah. So what we can say, the limit. Let me delete it. Yes, let me erase it. Yeah. So if we will calculate like limit x tends to 0 minus fx, so that would be what? This is not equal. So we can say that the limit will not exist at the limit x tends to 0. Fx will not exist. So it does not exist at the 0. If x tends to 0, the limit will not be exist for the 0. For this limit, this will not be happen for the sine function.